Do you want the sales management in Allegro to be even simpler? That is why we have created the Orders tab in My Allegro. It has all the necessary features to check and fulfill orders from buyers. Let us take a look at the Actions option in the list of orders. It will facilitate your sales management. The Actions button is next to every order. With this option, you can quickly and comfortably ship a parcel. After clicking it, you will go to the Ship with Allegro. Here, you can easily and comfortably select a carrier and enter the tracking number. When you do that, we will send an automatic message to the buyer with a tracking number. If you are using external systems shared by carriers integrated with us, for example, in Post, we receive the tracking number automatically. You do not have to enter it manually. After entering the tracking number, an icon appears in the upper right corner. If you have the basic subscription, you can check the Automatically Change the Status of all the orders to sent after adding the tracking number option. But please remember that Ship with Allegro option is only available if you are shipping products from Poland. What else is possible with the Actions option? It enables you to add a note to an order, which will be visible only to you. Here, you can request a surcharge from the buyer up to 30 zlotys to an order. And you can check the payment details. You can also give a refund to the buyer. For example, if they exercise the right to withdraw from the agreement within 14 days and you receive the product. If a transaction is not finalized, you can quickly and comfortably submit the application to receive a transaction rebate in the Actions option. That is, sales commission refund. We will process it and you will receive a separate email concerning this matter. If a buyer selects the invoice option when placing an order, you will see an appropriate icon. And you will be able to add the document. The Actions option is only one of many useful tools that we have prepared for you in the Orders tab. Discover all of the possibilities of the tab, and your sales management in Allegro will be easy, quick, and enjoyable. Good luck!
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.